And when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, Ghana say ya dance when you go about it. Na ye nimu da say ye wa Ghana version of Sodom and Gomorrah. It was as we so. Alcohol ma boni ahodo pa ekoso wo hono mo na abusua. Enye easy. Subri Forest. Galamseyfo enya akokoduro. Akotu forest ni mfimfin akwachichiri ekuro. Ewo hono mo abusua. Enya asem kuma soldiers for akọ ready ekuro no akwashi kuro nyina na. Omuko ye eniema na ekoso pa ukuro ni mo no. Abusua esewani. Enise kachire. Aha ye Penyah Block Media. Mesro say ni di mo. Obe like video ra obo subscribe button so na ba click the notification akọ no for latest update. Na ba chere wa adwende ama me ewo comment. Especially so baswa. No share video more for so enya bi ahwe. When it comes to the issue of Galamsey, many Sadiq Adams, sports Obama, eya adwene say, free say ye to Galamsey, abeduru say ye di bone.
Stories are meeting the weekend in nature say. Akon ye friend Galamsey no atra say ye too mining.
When it comes to this issue of Galamsey, ye wonipa me no me bo ma baso pa. Back eya Sadiq Adams, sports Obama, awo ye adwuma Angel TV, that is Angel Broadcasting Network. Wo bo adwuma day and night, addressing public issue, addressing state issue. Well, you're good. And about say Erastus Asaradonko, honestly, multimedia. Erastus Asaradonko, honestly, in fact, or a top-notch journalist, investigative journalist, or yeah, Juma, or born homo. Emma Sobekaya, exactly 8th March 2025, and I'll be making post on Facebook. I will tell you, say, I'm looking at say, Tano Annual Forester. Galamsey activity course ho mo no ta no ho no de busia eya jinsemu obi ayi nani ama wo mu ena omu eye do mpe ho ama asadon kokra ka say wa kan wasema kan obi ayi nani ena o de video we eta the post no to
Là, about.
And exactly 8th April so 2025 you also make another post on Galamsey as you know na Jimra Forest. I was only telling me say Jimra Forest no odin kan call ye. Na say Galamsey activity koso kakra ema eje omutim ko boss kata ema mu call ye bo mu call ye no soldier for anti womani anko ho anko hwe. Eti now no sa call ho biem no. Say first no kwena excavator na 2 a now no excavator na abeye 5. And what did this particular videos a supporting agenda? And exactly 8th April na and Ghana police service for issue communicate na river fum omo ultimate akọ make arrest illegal miners no omo ultimate achibie edo mo pictures na eba abon na Ghana fo nyina no yebo omo abaso na be kaya about 3 weeks getting to a month ago Sadiq Adams sports Obama the discovery by no chire mo say Ghana we are sitting on a time bomb and you know yenye reservative to Galamsey na esi no Galamsey ye forester ahodo ewa Ghana ye didn't say what forest no. Militant every outside Burkina Faso. There's a Burkina base. Any you for Abeku Ghana ha. Militant every Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, any Togo, our Monte Brofonte ya Casa. O mono mukura to rough force. Any AK-47. Powerful much M16 Age first and I was the Omuna air buffers no by Emma Galamsey from A to Galamsey.
Stories are meeting the weekend in HSA. Akua ye friend Galamsey no atra say ye two mining. Metimi ate ho akyere mo say currently there are Cameroonian militants ewo Ghanaian forests. There are Ivorian militants. Omo ko Galamsey site no. Ombeba bedi ho adanse akyere me se makohu bi. Omo wa Galamsey ye site forest no, a lot of them omo nya Ghanaians. Menka so omo tu no. Omo kuta atuo e guide ho no, omo nya Ghanaians. Especially Western region. Na se Bengagu militant no, they are in Ghana. Illegal miners no akọ high militant EDB free Burkina Faso EDB free France Cote d'Ivoire border ne so no into Western region illegal mining na ekọ so yentimi to Tano Anwea forest mo akodu tam no Nimiri forest mo ho no eye militant o mo free Cote d'Ivoire na aba na sa militant ye o mo a ye recruit o mo into terrorism o mo nte wo kasa. They just shoot to kill. Now you prepare pickups at the more. Pickups no. So almost shoot to no more kill na you can say reinforcement. They know the reinforcement because when him soldier for no more region honina. And tis a ekobane say the adune who ye from free cryer. No more the pickup na Ghana Cote d'Ivoire. Nes no more Ghanaians, e be ye foreigners no or mako for maba. And ye tin hon ye show mo. Some of them are top politicians. They have paid. They have mastered the art of illegal mining. Say, Mali for the same no mofa so bo mo ban. Na nkrofo no mo se Mali any Cote d'Ivoire soldier atade bi she US Army atade. Pictures na ba ni so ohu bi. Omo she US Army soldier atade. Into the discussion around illegal mining in Ghana now, it is not a matter of illegal mining. It is a matter of militant invading our country and seizing our forests and river bodies. And Ghana te won yehwe. Na manyane ntia say as minister akwakofa river guards. Honorable, don't worry yourself. Don't Amakofibua. Don't worry yourself with that water guard no. Omo koyi omo nam omo koyi nam. Na Galamsey no omo cost of it, forget. You have lost it. Because now Bengagu militant any Macau Mali for no mabano. And we know nipa na oma me tip off ne non-Ghanaian. Yako recruit nipa free omo krom di omaba and he is in Ghana. And or can't me say omo particularly bono border ne so eko Cote d'Ivoire. Omo Western region because omo pe baby a ebape soldier for no say o ka say o frɛ backup. Say your region for no na eba dia omo nsuro because ye wi omo ho ni nyina. Na mo medu ba bi ne ka say national army bi na eba. Umedu ho no. No omo de pick up no awura forest num atiasi main road. Omo drivers ya train omo da hotel e twen say ye from omo kutagota alert ye run. Anti-Ghanaian forests have been lost to Ivorian militants, Cote d'Ivoire militants. None of which be or Northern Ghana. 22 of them are Burkina base. And he said, Montesa Lands and Natural Resources Minister, ye ba ye titin sama mo kan nature say ye ntimi fight Galamsey no ye lose fight no because they say there be edu no ye hu say enye ye ne honam ni moja na enya. Na ye recruit militant no etuo na ekuta omo no eye sophisticated e chan Ghana soldier fo ni tuo na ekuta omo no nti wo de water guard so se hwan na ekwa na water guard funa ye recruit omo no ye recruit omo ye mo bosoloku omo sa na muni madwuma adam animu a kama mu nsi forest ho Ivorian mercenaries have invaded Ghanaian forests. Guns, rifle a domo kon hono. Anopei, me se uko hu bina me country wa. Na mpenyifo ne story omo kan say Ghana should not allow this to happen. The gold rush, you know. Ivory Coast for no more friend the evil of gold. Ewo French kasa ni mo. Sa na esi wo ha no. Eno na esi wo Nigeria ni pewu basabasa because oil boom aba. Kromo ofo ni nya bi ni. Eno mo so akotutu omo so oil. Eno mo tuna ene mining companies na oil companies na clash. Local for any soldier for no ma carbon and a cover movement for the emancipation of Niger Delta. Any other militant groups are omo rise you know. No mudi bomu no. Ebi na eba Ghana no. A do leveler. Not only have the Chinese invaded our forest and destroying our water bodies, they are importing militant from other countries or more West Africa. Until kasa, until ko afuom no kasa baby a ura no ye me boss dia, mon patron concession. Na uko wuramu a wo obebo otu akun enti yan forestry gas no mu shutu omo no. Yan nipa omo forest ehun ban no. Wo obo otu no pay ubedwane wo anwane a na emu ye den a omo wo pickups a standing by. Omo wo motorbikes e wo forest ho. Omo nim baby a omo draw map a do omo anim a baby ombedwane afa. E ba ya na omo ko. Enti water guards no moma won koda. Forget about water guards.
Sports Obama Sadiq Adams the update to Eeiii no. And exactly 14th April 2025 na 14th April. Erastus Asarodonko so another discovery Eeiii no ochirem say eye canon remembrance oko say Galamseyers hodo course I just say and Juma amonfo di wo honom senso sense destroy forest no. And the pictures be ebe supporting the opinion. In relation to that video no, and a Dr. Omanibu Ama or Minister for Defense releasing communique and ochirem say Oma deploy soldiers to these forests. As okay, Omu Koshe send someone Sadiq Adams Ekano, no cra. The first back on Edike Omu Komu, Bole, any black water basin, ho, the Omu Ebekoho. Anna, second place, in Carrier, any man cross of forest reserves, so na Ombeko. Anna, third place Ombeko, Jerusalem, that is Subri Forest. Now, Subri Forest in our western region. Now, Subri Forest no omo discover say forest ni finfin amount for betichiri e kuro bi of forest ni finfin ya to kuro ni dini abrewa ni nkran no just say Ghana for ye ni enimu kuro no we don't know the town just check Ghana map na ye ni kuro bi adin afra na abrewa ni nkran just say Ghana for ngasa ye nim and if you guys say omo moti that Jerusalem honum kwa say omo nimu kra say e kuro amount for bi kuro be boy forest ni mo ma chichiri kuro bi ma free kuro dini abrewa ni nkran now. That abroad can you cry now? It is so interesting, say. Omubo shows you know, I just exactly 13th December 2023. Omu ye concert, Christmas concert. I will hold my just say, Omu ji womani, postu chisu wo ho. Emma, ye call election 2024 no crown. Jerusalem town in nano. According to election results, Elipa about to about Jerusalem nimu. No more no 100. But it is interesting, say. Soldiers for Nukobora, Jerusalem, that is Subri Forest no. A cry ya to dini abruwa ni nkran afa na Galamseyers for na chechere ewo forest ni finfin no. Enipa na wo ho elpro 10,000.
So we are here in the Abrewa Ninkran portion of the Subri River Forest Reserve. And this community is a forest film community. It's just apart the Subri Forest Reserve in a community called Abrewa Ninkran. And this place, I mean, it's an eyesore. The place is full of illegal miners with all manner of activities within this community. We've seen incidents of child trafficking, child prostitution, drug abuse, money laundering, counterfeit, you name them. And we are getting nationals from all over the sub-region. It appears this community is a representation of ECOWAS. We have people from other neighboring West African countries, from the Sahelian regions, from Guinea, from Niger, from Burkina Faso, from Nigeria, from Mali, and all of them are here. And this is a rural community. Why are they here? You can tell that there is no place within the community that they are mining. They are mining in the Subri Forest Reserve. and the effect on the impact of the illegal mining on the forest is very devastating. So as you can see, we raided this community. We managed to get rid of the entire illegal hub that was probably constructed by these illegal miners as a hub. And in fact, what we see here is a nice. We managed to rescue some few foreign young Nigerians. One of them confided in us that Madam brought her the kind of work that she's expected her to do. She's not going to do. And clearly, such a minor is being trafficked and involved in prostitution right here in this village. That is the impact of illegal mining, what they are bringing into the community. We've seen this tramadol, this red some people that we are even in the wee hours of the morning, and clearly it's a nice one. Everything is we've seen makeshift bottles. We entered and we saw some of the activity that they are engaging in. Very exciting. We are told young girls nowadays do not even want to go to school. They want to be here to make money from the prostitution business. And that is very bad. So today, we can once upon a time, there was a village called Dden, a mining hub, a hub for illegal mining in forest reserves. And we managed to raid the community and flush out all the miners. In fact, when we were coming, we estimated to be some 2,000 miners, slightly more than 2,000 miners. But today, raiding here in the wee hours of the morning, we estimated more than 10,000. More than 10,000. That's why we could not even effect arrest, because the sheer numbers and the volume of people we are going to arrest do not even fit in our vehicle, and we wonder which jail facility around the Western region can host them. So we just have to raid the community, bend down the equipment, and then make sure everybody is flushed out. It's not going to be a 9-day wonder, as I said. We are going to be here for nearly 2 weeks and make sure the last illegal miner is raided from this community. I've always been sounding a caution, and I'll use your medium to sound a caution. Notice is here by self. I want all the miners to get out of this community, get out of the forest reserves, get out of our rivers. If you do so, we will live in peace. But if you refuse and you want to mine illegally in the forest, it's just a matter of time. Enjoy your 50 minutes of fame. The long arms of the law will catch up with you, and that's exactly what we have seen today. Notice is here by itself. Get out of our forest, get out of our river bodies. If you want to mine, do so legally, and we'll have no issues with you.
Why